In the near future, Xiaomi is rumored to be preparing its latest flagship line, which is ready to carry the best camera quality in collaboration with Leica. But quite suddenly, this popular brand actually updated its entry-level smartphone offerings first. Present Xiaomi Redmi 14C, which carries a more stylish design, as well as being more bulky with a super spacious screen. In the last few generations, Xiaomi has indeed presented the Redmi C series in upgraded specifications for more affordable options, now filled with the Redmi A series. Being an alternative to 1 million Android smartphones with complete features, including the presence of an NFC sensor, which is quite important, especially for smartphone users in big cities, as the latest payment method. In terms of appearance, the Redmi 14C design looks much different than the previous generation. In fact, when viewed from the backside, it is reminiscent of the latest smartphone series from Oppo, such as the Reno 12F or the Realme Number series, all of which share a large camera module with a number of sensor circles inside, making it look more premium. Further discussing the design, Xiaomi provides 4 different color options for the Redmi 14C. In addition to midnight black and dreamy purple, there is sage green with a surface that looks like the texture of vegan leather, as well as starry blue with a combination of 2 different colors. The dimensions are slightly larger than its predecessor, with a thickness of 8.22 millimeters. The justification for the dimensions is arguably due to 2 enhanced features. First, in terms of the front display, the Redmi 14C screen now has a very large screen, reaching 6.88 inches, the largest in the Redmi series. The resolution remains limited to HD+, but the refresh rate has been increased from a maximum of 90 Hz to 120 Hz. It supports brightness up to 600 nits and already carries the TÜV Rheinland standard. Another aspect that is improved and makes the dimensions become more bulky is in the battery sector. The battery capacity of the Redmi 14C is slightly expanded, now up to 5,160 mAh, claimed to be able to play videos for up to 22 hours and video calls for up to 42 hours, paired with 18-watt fast charging, as well as special smart charging engine technology to make battery life last longer. Xiaomi also embeds a relatively newly refreshed chipset, namely the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra octa-core, paired with up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, or 16 GB with the RAM expansion feature, and up to 512 GB of eMMC 5.1 storage. In terms of CPU architecture, the new chipset is more or less the same as the Helio G85 on the Redmi 13C. Although the Redmi 14C camera module looks very large, as if prioritizing photography capabilities, the hardware upgrade is actually pinned to the front camera sensor. On the back, Xiaomi gives a 50-megapixel primary sensor with the addition of a secondary sensor, flash, and the rest is just a circle for embedding printed text only. In order to improve responsiveness when capturing moments, Xiaomi Imaging Engine is now brought to affordable Redmi smartphones, which in addition to increasing shooting speed, also improves overall image quality. On the front, the selfie camera now increases in resolution from 8 megapixels to 13 megapixels, and also supports night mode. Xiaomi itself has only posted the full product page on its global website, but quoted from GSM Arena, this smartphone is already on sale in a number of countries. The price of Redmi 14C is priced from around 2 million rupiah for the 4GB RAM variant, 128GB storage. Will it be more affordable when it is officially present in Indonesia? Let's just look forward to the next few weeks.